Hello everyone. In this video, Hidemyacc would like to introduce to you how to pay on Hidemyacc. Currently, there are two ways to pay on Hidemyacc for available packages and customized packages. Payment methods for available packages as follows. To proceed with the payment, let's select Settings. In the Overview or Billing Plans section, click Upgrade. The package information screen will be displayed. You can click Choose to buy a monthly or yearly package suitable for you and then proceed to pay according to the on-screen instructions. The system will automatically upgrade the package in your account. You can choose to pay with Bitcoin, USDT. Normally, payment with Bitcoin might take quite a long time to proceed. The USDT process might be faster, but if your account has not been activated after 5 minutes, please contact our support. If you want to make a transaction with PayPal, PayOne or Ping Pong, please contact us for support too. In case you want to buy customized packages such as a 3-month, 6-month package or buy a large number of profiles, you will need to contact us. Hidemyacc's support team will send you the price of the package you requested and provide the license key after you have completed the payment. Using the license key is very simple. You click on Using License and paste the license code here. After entering the key, proceed to check. If the key has been used or has been corrupted, the screen will display error, the license is not valid or has been used. The correct and never before used key will display the information of the purchased package including the package name and the duration of the package. You proceed to confirm to complete the process of activating the license purchase package. You can check the purchase package information and expiration time at the plan in the Overview section. I have just introduced to you two ways to pay for packages purchased on Hidemyacc. Need any more information, you can contact Hidemyacc's support team for the fastest response. The support team is always ready to assist you via Facebook, Telegram and Skype. Visit Hidemyacc. Calm now, download the software and experience it for free today.